Benefits of affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing is very beneficial both for merchants and affiliate marketers. It is a popular method to earn profits from the websites and also helps the merchants to increase their sales. It is the cheapest business on the internet that can make you the highest profit. Let us discuss some important benefits of affiliate marketing to affiliate marketers and merchants. Benefits to affiliate marketer. 1. No need to create a product. One important benefit of affiliate marketing is that you are not required to create or produce any products. It is the duty of merchants to create the products. So you are only required to select the products to sell, get the affiliate links and start your business in 10 minutes. You can focus on selling the product as you don't need to do anything with the production or delivery of the products. 2. You can start with no money, or with as little as $100. Another important feature of affiliate marketing is that you can start your business with little or no out-of-pocket expense. This is the lowest possible investment in today's world to start a business which has a great scope in the market. If you simply don't have any money to invest, you can always use free tools to start your business. 3. The easiest online business. It is the easiest online business due to the fact that the merchants do all the hard work like making products, delivering products to consumers, handling money transactions, etc. Affiliate marketers are not responsible for any of these tasks. They just need to focus on promoting their affiliate links. 4. Make money while you sleep. As you have your affiliate links on the website which is available on the internet all the time, you are not required to remain online to keep in touch with your customers. People can visit your site whenever they want and can visit your affiliate links. If they like the product, they can easily buy it by clicking the given links. Your only concern will be checking your email to see how many sales you have made from your links. 6. Penetrate hot markets fast. You can select any hot market at any time to choose the products you wish to sell. If you observe that other marketers are making money with pet care related products, for instance, just register with an affiliate program to get some hot pet related products, set up an AdWords campaign, and in 10 minutes, you can start to make money. Benefits to merchants. 1. More sales in less time. The products of different merchants are advertised by many affiliate marketers at the same time. The main website of the merchant is also advertising the products. If the page rank of the merchant website and his affiliate marketers are high, tons of traffic, which are your buyers, will visit the product pages. The website of every affiliate marketer will send the people to merchant websites. This results in more sales in less time. 2. Broader market to sell products. Having new affiliates just expands the market of merchants. Don't select the affiliates blindly. Do the research to check if the affiliate's website is related to your business or not. If the affiliate marketer's website is matching your product's theme, then there are more chances of sales. The affiliate's website will receive hits for the people who need to know about your products, and they are more likely to visit your website to make a purchase. 3. Less efforts required. Affiliates are doing the hard work of advertising for your products. If your affiliates are doing good work and you don't need to spend extra time and money for advertising. Just concentrate on improving the quality of your products and launching new products. Affiliate marketing can provide the easy, fast and reliable money to affiliate marketers. At the same time, it gives more sales in less time and money to the merchants.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.